Are you looking for the best ABS 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best ABS 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2 3D printer is a cutting-edge IDX, independent dual extruders, 3D printer designed to offer advanced printing capabilities. With its independent dual direct drive metal extruders, this printer allows users to print with two different colors and materials simultaneously, unlocking a range of creative possibilities. The dual extruders work independently, providing double productivity and making it ideal for meeting the production demands of small workshops. One of the key features of the Creator Pro 2 is its rapid and steady heating bed, which helps prevent model warping and makes it easier to remove completed prints. This feature contributes to the printer's ability to produce high-quality prints with various materials, including PLA, ABS, PTG, TPU, wood, and PVA. The versatility and material compatibility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Number 2. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 3 Pro 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 3 Pro 3D printer is a cutting-edge device designed for a seamless and efficient 3D printing experience. One standout feature is its versatile nozzle bundle, offering both a 0.4mm 240 degrees Celsius nozzle and a 0.4mm 265 degrees Celsius nozzle. This dual nozzle setup provides flexibility in handling various filament types, ranging from ABS and PLA to PC, PTG, PLACF, and PTGCF. With a rapid heat-up time of just 60 seconds to reach 200 degrees Celsius 392 degrees Fahrenheit, the Adventurer 3 Pro ensures quick startup for your printing projects. The detachable design simplifies maintenance by allowing easy removal of the nozzle from the extruder with a single push, enhancing user convenience. Leveling hassles are eliminated thanks to the leveling-free feature, as the build plate comes pre-leveled in the factory. The glass bed, offering superior flatness compared to flexible build plates, contributes to minimal warping issues during printing. Additionally, the printer is compatible with a pre-released PEI platform assembly for enhanced printing performance. Number 3. Archi Technology X Plus 3 3D Printers. The Archi Technology X Plus 3 3D printer is a game-changer in the realm of commercial 3D printing. With a focus on revolutionizing FFF/FDM technology, it boasts a Core XY structure and employs Clipper firmware, resulting in a remarkable 80% reduction in printing time. The impressive 600mm per second print speed and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration make it a go-to choice for enthusiasts and geeks seeking a fast 3D printing experience. One of its standout features is its multi-material printing capability. Equipped with two sets of nozzles, copper alloy and hardened steel hot end, and a direct drive extruder, the X Plus 3 accommodates QIDI high-performance materials. This enables high-speed printing of various filaments like ABS, ASA, PTG, PA, PC, GF, CF, and PLA, catering to the diverse needs of users. Number 4. Dremel DigiLab 3D45-01 3D Printer. The Dremel DigiLab 3D45-01 3D printer is a top-tier choice for advanced 3D printing, boasting compatibility with a variety of materials such as ECO ABS, nylon, PTG, and PLA filaments. Its all-metal 0.4mm nozzle can reach temperatures up to 280 degrees Celsius, while the removable glass build plate can heat up to 100 degrees Celsius, ensuring versatility in filament options. Recognized for its excellence, the Dremel 3D45 received PCMag.com's 2022 Editor's Choice Award for Best 3D Printer for Professionals and Small Businesses. As a Google for Education partner, it's well-suited for architecture, engineering, university, and commercial 3D printing applications. Built to withstand daily use, this printer combines durability with high performance.